Hello students, welcome in your English class. Today we will discuss English Reader Unit First, Changing Time. In the previous lecture we discussed about the changing time and the story of a children Prannoy, and we come to know that there is a generation gap between parents and children, and the name of the story, the heading of the story was Give Me a Break. Today we will discuss another story that is based on generation gap. Here you can see the picture very nicely. What it shows? This picture shows that teenagers are active, teenagers are adventurous, they enjoy to do adventurous activity. But on the other hand, the people who are 30s and 40s, they are less adventurous and they are not so smart, so active, so adventurous as like a teenager. So according to the poem, today we will discuss a poem, and it will be more clear through a poem after reading a poem that there is a generation gap between parents and children. Now read the poem. In Frictionland there is a family. This is a story about a family with some confusion, as you will see. Here are some confusion in the family. You will see in the picture, in the poem also. There is a Raghu. In the story, in this poem, there is a boy whose name is Raghu. His age was about 15 years. There is Raghu aged 15, and others are grown. In a family, there is a story of a family, okay, and there is a boy of age 15 and others are grown up in their family. Please will someone let me ever be my own? Here Raghu is saying that please anybody or his parents will allow him to live as he wants. Raghu wanted to go mountain climbing. That suited him nice. Raghu wanted to go climbing, okay, because he was interested in adventurous work. Raghu wanted to go mountain climbing, that he wanted. So he went to his father to seek his advice. Raghu went to his father to get his permission. His papa said, "Son, I will have got to say no." But his father never provided him permission to go on mountain, and his father say him no for climbing. You think that you are sporty, but you are really do not. When Raghu wanted to seek the permission of his father to go climbing on mountain, his father refused, rejection, and said that he is not a sports person, and he should avoid such type of activity like adventurous work. So rejection, refusal, Raghu saw red. When his father didn't provide him permission to go on climbing, Raghu got angry. Saw red means here Raghu got angry or became angry. And after that, when I perfect at school or baby at home? Refusal and rejection of his father made Raghu angry, and he said himself that at school my teacher said me that they are perfect. Okay, they are perfect at school. Okay, they are not considered kid by their teacher at school, but they are considered kids in house by their parents. Here Raghu is confused whether they are grown up, whether they are teenager, or whether they are kids. Okay, there is a confusion. Crazy. What adventures? Teenagers. Papa saw threat. Papa said that you are crazy, you are mad. You should not choose such type of adventurous activity. You should think more about your career. They think they can manage everything on their own. Now the children think that they can manage everything. Okay, they are not kid, they can manage everything on their own. Look at your clothes. Papa said to Raghu, look at your cloth. Looks like you haven't bathed in year. Okay, your cloth look like, and it resembles that after seeing the cloth, it resembles that you have not taken bath in years. The time has passed that you have not taken bath properly. It means Raghu was looking very shabby. Cut your hair, you look like a scream. Look like a scream is here proverb. Now Raghu's father scolds him that he should cut his hair, and he has, because Raghu has long hair like girls. You look like a scream. It is a proverb here. Look like a scream means you are looking very funny. Raghu was in tears when Raghu's father scolds him and not gave permission, okay, to go on climbing, and he scolded also. Then there was a tears in Raghu's eyes and he became very sad. Why can't I live like I wanna? I wanna means I wanted to be. Raghu said to himself, why he cannot live as he wants. I wouldn't change, my friend. He said that he cannot change. Why he cannot change? Because his friend circle, his friends like this type of appearance of Raghu. Okay, and all look him because he looks attractive, such type of hairstyle and clothes. But his parents, his father does not like this. Days passed by, things looks better, sometime worse. Days pass, समय बीतता गया. Okay, sometime things look better and sometime worse. Papa, there is a band. Okay, again Raghu wanted to get permission from his papa, and he asks that there is a band that wants me to sing a verse. Verse means here rhyme, sing a song. Clear? Here Raghu wants to get permission from his father that he wants to join a singing group. Band means here singing group. Band is used for singing group. Clear? Join a band. Raghu's father again surprised. Join a band, yelled. Flabbergasted means greatly surprised. Raghu's father greatly surprised that you wanted to join a band for singing. You have surely gone mad. You have gone mad. पागल हो गए हो. Think of your career. Think of your future. And for things gonna be sad. Going to be sad. Every time Raghu wants to get permission from his father for which he wants, but every time Raghu's father refusal, rejection, and this made Raghu upset and angry also. Weeks went, days passed, and the summer came down. The summer season came. Soon his enterprise on computer he found. His grandpa was great, like a bosom pal. Like a bosom pals means very great friend, very close friend. You know very well, at every house, at your house also situation will be same. Grandchildren are liked by their grandparents, and grandparents plays a very important role in grandchildren life. Grandparents play a role of bridge, okay, between parents and children. Most of time children, grandchildren share everything with their grandparents, so grandparents play a very important role in one's life. When days passed, after many days in summer season, Raghu brought a computer and he taught everything to his grandfather about computer, like net, Google, email, each and everything he taught her grandfather about computer. He said because he was thinking that it will make his grandparents, his grandpapa happy. You are a genius, he said. Grandpa, you are genius. My bridge to modernity. You are playing a role of bridge, okay? To modernity means Papa and Papa and Raghu, there is a generation gap is there, but Raghu considered his grandfather is a modern. But grandpa, this is something for Papa to see. Papa should also should receive our modernity, also should the modern way of living. Take it easy as father and son. You have gone through the stage. Then, after listening the conversation, after listening the advice of Raghu, grandpa replied that everybody should have passed through this the same age. And I am sure that you will repeat our words when your son will be your age. Very nicely, Raghu's grandpa tried to make understand Raghu that when you will be our age, in our age, when you will become Papa, then you will also repeat your Papa words when your son will be at your age. It's clear, beta? Now come to the next. Summary of the poem. This is the poem showing generation gap between Raghu and his father. Raghu seek permission from his father to go for mountain climbing, but his father simply declines. He scolds him for his hairstyle and clothing. After some days, Raghu informs his father that he wants to join a band for singing, but again he is denied by his father and he got advice to choose better career option. And his father wants that Raghu should choose better career option. Days passed and summer season came. Raghu got a computer. He thought his grandfather would be happy. He called him genius. Raghu says to his grandfather that his father doesn't understand modern way of life. His grandfather replies that all go through this age, and when his own son grown up, he will also repeat the same word. It's clear? Come to the next. Now come to the word meanings. Seek means get something. Advice means suggestion. And flabbergasted, greatly surprised. Look like a scream, looks very funny. Words, rhyme, or bosom pal, very close or close friend. Now, after reading the poem, after that discussing about the generation gap, we will discuss about that Raghu wants but cannot have. Raghu wants but can't have. What things Raghu want but can't have? First, mountain climbing. Second, have in his own way. Third, joining musical band. And fourth, wants to whatever he wants. Complete the following statement on the basis of your reading of the poem. For any two of answers written, C3 writes a reason. Any two which you have written C3, okay, first climbing mountain and second joining musical band. You can choose any two reason and any two action. You have to write the answer, okay, for Raghu's father rejection. First, Raghu father rejection for climbing, and second, Raghu wants to join musical band and Raghu's father also refuse it. Why? Because his father wants him to join a proper career. Second, he thinks that there is a risk in mountain climbing. It's clear? What is the line that suggests Raghu is confused? I have told when we were reading the poem, you can see, I am perfect at school, or you are baby, or baby at the home. This make this line confuse the Raghu more. Do you think Raghu is a stubborn? Stubborn means that the person which thinks he demands for the same thing he want. Yes, Raghu is a stubborn. How you can say that Raghu is a stubborn? He wants to live in his own way or style and never accepted the advice of his parents. So we can say that Raghu is a stubborn. Do you think next D question, is Raghu's father reasonable or unfair? Raghu's father, whenever Raghu wants to get permission for everything from his father, Raghu's father refused it, okay, and this made Raghu angry. Do you think Raghu's father was reasonable or unfair? We think that Raghu's father does not want. Yes, Raghu's father was reasonable because Raghu's father doesn't allow him to join the band because he wants to choose him a decent career option. His father considered musical band not a decent career option. So Raghu's father wants that Raghu should choose a decent career option. Is Raghu father, this we have done, Raghu father does not allow him to join the musical band because he wants that Raghu should choose better option career. Raghu's grandpa is different from his father. The difference is how Raghu's grandfather was different. Raghu's grandpa is different from his father, that he accepts modernity unlike his father. His father was against modernity, but Raghu's grandpa was in favor of modernity. Grandpa feels that Raghu should not worry about dad attitude. Why Raghu's grandpa feels that? Raghu's grandpa feels that Raghu should not worry about the attitude of his father because everyone goes through this stage. Write the words from the poem that suggested the same meaning, shocked, and one more word I am giving to you, that is connected. Okay, connect and shocked. You have to search the same meaning for these two words, and the next, give an appropriate title to the poem. You must give appropriate title for the poem yourself. Clear? This will be of 2 marks question in your exam, and the same word, this will be also of 2 marks in your unseen comprehension. So you make a lot of practice to search such type of words which have the similar meaning in the poem. First is shocked, and second you must note down it, connected. So you have to complete the exercise based on the reading of the poem. Clear? C2. After that we will discuss about the writing skill. Imagine that you are teenager mother who goes to your hostel room. You are shocked to see the disordered condition of his room. Write a letter to your child suggesting the changes that you would like to him to make his room and the reason for your saying so. First of all, you have to write address. The separate lines are given for the address, and date also you have to mention. And after that, dear. Some students write that dear friend, dear son. You should not write like this. You should write the dear plus name. Clear? And after that, salutation. Content matter. Salutation. After salutation, you must write the content. Content is there. I visited. Here, as a mother of teenager, you are writing here. Consider yourself mother of a teenager. I visited your hostel room. I found it was a mess. Mess means everything was not clean, everything was in disorder. How do you live in such a chaos? Chaos means that everything is in disorder, not properly managed. I am suggested you to make certain changes in your room. You must keep your room neat and clean. If you keep it clean, you will also remain healthy and it would improve your concentration in studies. Keep your things in proper order. In this way, it will easy for you to find your things easily. You will feel free of stress. I want you to set an example for other kids. Your affectionately, mother. I hope you got it, and you must complete your reader unit first. Thank you. Have a nice day.